Serverless architecture. The complete developer's guide. This comprehensive cheat sheet by We Amaze provides a complete overview of serverless computing, breaking down the essential concepts, benefits, and practical considerations that every developer should understand. Understanding key components. Serverless architecture revolves around three fundamental building blocks. Function as a service, FaaS, represents the core concept, where individual functions like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions execute code without server management. Backend as a service, BaaS, provides managed services like Firebase, AWS Amplify, and DynamoDB that handle backend infrastructure. Event-driven architecture completes the picture, using triggers from databases, queues, and APIs to initiate function execution. The benefits that drive. Adoption. Serverless offers compelling advantages that explain its rapid adoption. Scalability. Happens automatically based on demand, eliminating the need for capacity planning. The cost-effective pay-per execution model means you only pay for actual usage, not idle server time. Reduced operational overhead removes server management requirements, while faster deployment enables quick updates without infrastructure concerns. Popular serverless platforms. The major cloud providers dominate the serverless landscape. AWS leads, with Lambda, API Gateway, and DynamoDB forming a comprehensive ecosystem. Azure provides Functions, Event Grid, and Cosmos DB for Microsoft-centric environments. Google Cloud offers Cloud Functions and Firestore for scalable applications. Best practices for success. Successful serverless implementation requires following proven practices. Optimizing cold starts involves using provisioned concurrency to reduce initial latency. Implementing stateless functions ensures scalability by storing state externally. Proper observability through monitoring, logging, tracing, and alerting becomes crucial in distributed serverless environments. Real-world use cases. Serverless excels in specific scenarios. API backends benefit from lightweight, scalable REST and GraphQL APIs. Real-time processing handles IoT and event-driven applications effectively. Data pipelines leverage serverless for ETL workflows and log processing. Chatbots and conversational AI applications fit naturally into the serverless model. Understanding the challenges. Despite its benefits, serverless presents unique challenges. Cold starts create higher latency on first execution, particularly problematic for latency-sensitive applications. Limited execution time restricts functions to specific durations. Debugging complexity increases in distributed environments. Monitoring becomes more challenging across multiple small functions, requiring specialized tools and strategies. Making the serverless decision. Serverless architecture isn't universally applicable. It excels for event-driven workloads, applications with variable traffic patterns, and scenarios where rapid development and deployment are priorities. However, applications requiring long-running processes, predictable high-volume workloads, or complex state management might benefit more from traditional architectures. The future of serverless. This cheat sheet illustrates how serverless has evolved, from a novel concept to a mainstream architectural pattern. As cold start performance improves and tooling matures, serverless adoption will likely continue growing, particularly for microservices, API development, and event-driven applications. Key takeaways. Serverless architecture represents a fundamental shift in how we think about application deployment and scaling. By understanding its components, benefits, challenges, and appropriate use cases, developers can make informed decisions about when and how to implement serverless solutions effectively. The technology's emphasis on business logic over infrastructure management aligns perfectly with modern development practices focused on speed, scalability, and cost efficiency. For teams looking to reduce operational overhead while maintaining high performance and scalability, serverless offers a compelling Architectural approach worth serious consideration.